Welcome to a club for people who love good movies. Use the links in the description to navigate the list of films quickly.
Wolf Creek, See No Evil,
Dale with Evil. Two lovable West Virginia hillbillies are headed to their fixed-up vacation cabin to drink some beer, do some fishing, and have a good time. But when they run into a group of preppy college girls who assume from their books that they must be in bed, chainsaw-wielding killers, Tucker and Dale's vacation takes a bloody and hilarious turn to the wars.
Hell, Blitz,
Maniac. A serial killer removes his victims' scalps and attaches them to the vintage mannequins he restores in his late mother's shop.
Alex Cross. A homicide detective is punished to the brink of his moral and physical limits as he tangles with a ferociously skilled serial killer who specializes in torture and pain.
Sinister. True crime writer Ellison Oswald is in a slump. He hasn't had a bestseller in more than 10 years and is becoming increasingly desperate for a hit. So when he discovers the existence of a snuff film showing the death of a family, he vows to solve the mystery. He moves his own family to the victim's home and gets to work. However, when old film footage and other clues hint at the presence of a supernatural force, Ellison learns that living in the house might be fatal.
Untraceable, Surveillance. An FBI agent tracks a serial killer with the help of the three of his would-be victims, all of whom have wildly different stories to tell.
Tell us in the comments which movies you think should be added to the list and share any other thoughts or suggestions.